given a is equal to 2011 to the 2011 over 2012 to the 2012, and b is equal to 2011 to the 2011 plus 2011 all over 2012 to the 2012 plus 2012. Which is greater, a or b? So we have given a is equal to this large quantity and b is equal to this large quantity, or a is equal to this large power expression, or b is equal to this large power expression. So we have to decide which is greater, a or b. So let x equals 2011 to the 2011 and y equals 2012 to the 2012. Clearly we can see that x is less than 2011 over 2012 times y, since 2011 to the 2011 is less than 2011 over 2012 times 2012 to the 2012. So from here we get 2011 to the 2011 is less than 2011 over 1 times 2012 times 2011, because here is 2012 to the 2012 and in the denominator here is 2012, so one power will be cancelled out and we are left with 2012 to the 2011. So x is less than 2011 over 2012 times y, and by substituting the values of x and y, so x is here 2011 to the 2011, so it will be 2011 to the 2011 is less than, and 2011 over 2012 times y, so y is 2012 to the 2012, so by substituting the value of y, So it will be 2012 to the 2012. So x is here, it is x, and it is y. It is x, it is y. So by substituting the values of x and y, we get this inequality, and from here we get 2011 to the 2011 is less than 2011 times 2012 to the 2011. Now multiplying both sides by 2012, we get, so if we multiply by 2012 in this inequality, so we get 2012 times x is less than 2011 over 2012 times y times 2012. So from here 2012 and 2012 will be cancelled out, and we get 2012 times x is less than 2011 times y. Now adding xy on both sides, we get so by adding xy on both sides, we get 2012 x plus xy is less than 2011 y plus xy, and clearly we can see that x is the common factor in this term and y is the common factor in this term. So we have to factor out, so we have to factor out x from here and y from here. So by factoring out x and y, we get x times 2012 plus y is less than y times 2011 plus x. Now dividing both sides by y times y plus 2012, we get so we have to divide by y times y plus 12 on both sides. So it will be x times 2012 plus y all over y times y plus 2012 is less than y times 2011 plus x all over y times y plus 2012. So from here 2012 plus y and y plus 2012 will be cancelled out, and in the right side of the inequality y and y will be cancelled out. So we are left with x over y we are left with x over y is less than 2011 plus x all over y plus 2012 y plus 2012. Now substituting the values of x and y in this inequality we get, so x is here 2011 to the 2011 and y is 2012 to the 2012. So by substituting the values of x and y we get 2011 to the 2011 over 2012 to the 2012 is less than 2011 plus x or 2011 to the 2011 to the 2011 all over y 2012 to the 2012 to the 2012 plus 2012. Or 2011 to the 2011 over 2012 to the 2012 is less than 2011 to the 2011 plus 2011 all over 2012 to the 2012 plus 2012, and 2011 to the 2011 over 2012 to the 2012 is A. Since it is given that A is equal to 2011 to the 2011 over 2012 to the 2012, so it is A is less than, and here it is B. It is B. Since B is equal to 2011 to the 2011 plus 2011 all over 2012 to the 2012 plus 2012, so it is B. And clearly we can see that A is less than B, so this means B is greater. And we are done.